Right. So have I got a story time for you guys. So what was my once pristine 2004 Honda in fuck is this cunt doing? Okay. It was parked outside of my property on asphalt, not concrete, on asphalt, which is the walkway to my house or to my property, which I don't know if it's maintained by the council or the military. Hold on, let me. I don't know if it's maintained by the council or the military. Caved in. It caved in while my bike was parked there. The kickstand sunk all the way through, or caved in through the asphalt, and my Honda ended up tilted on its side, and it now has a bent bar end. The clutch mechanism and clutch lever and clutch bracket was under the bar. It's got cracked fairings on this side, scratches all down the beautiful paintwork. It's got scratches and chips on the left foot peg, so now it looks like I really get my knee down. What else? It's got scratches on the back just below the rear seat cowl. It's got scratches on the mirror, on the clutch lever, and cracked and scratched up fairings, and two random components fell out of the bottom of my bike somewhere. The fairings, I don't know where they've come from. So I'm currently going through the motions of trying to get this sorted, and at the moment I am not getting anywhere quick. This guy behind me is doing my fucking nutting. Cunt's getting undressed while fucking driving, man.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go. She has the tism.
How calm is he?
Very.
Mentally.
Look. It's a puppy.
Oh. Oh. He likes his Red Bull.
Hello.
We'll be doing giveaways soon. We'll be doing giveaways.
Hold on. It's not right. Stay there. Don't move.
Sorry, get the light on me.
Yep.
Thank you. We'll be doing giveaways soon. First to comment 60 times on this YouTube video will get a free half Labrador, half Terrier, half inbred dog. Ow!
It's the way it looked up.
He's got a bit of pitbull in him, you know. It's a nice little well set for him.
I'm going to use that, by the way. I hope you know that. That is going in. That would be amazing for an intro.
Oh no, everyone's going to rip into me at work.
Believe it. Look at the damage, man. From where the bike fell over. Scrapes. The old foot peg scraped. The bar end was bent. The clutch lever and the pretty much the whole clutch mechanism was bent underneath the bar, so I had to lift it up. It's now got cracked fairings, it's cracked underneath. Scratches there, marks on the mirror, marks on the indicator. It's all scratched around here. Fucking look at this fucking nice paintwork, and it's all fucked up. So yeah, that's the damage. Oh, lovely. I was going to stop for fuel, but absolutely not now. That's a fucking lovely car. Lovely. premium unleaded. Mate, they out in that. No, I understand it's religious clothing and stuff, but in summer, it's like that must get hot, surely. Or maybe it's thin and like breathable. I don't know, but like it has to get hot, right? Are you wet puppy? You are soaked. You're soaked, aren't you?